again. Yellow needs to go down, up, turn, down, turn. Yellow has gone down. And then you just twist it and the cube is solved. Right? Hi, I'm Joseph and I'll teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now, I'm no expert. I can solve it in 90 seconds and the world record is 4 seconds. So that puts things in perspective. 90 seconds is nothing. So if you want to learn how to do it really fast, like within a minute or 30 seconds or whatever, I would suggest go to some other tutorial. But this is just to show that you can solve the Rubik's Cube, right? So at the beginning, it might take you 3 minutes or 2.5 minutes, and then you can do it faster and faster, and you can get better at it. The other thing is, if you're just picking it up right now, I would suggest buy a better cube. Don't buy the one that's squeaky and it's very hard to turn. Get something that's easy to turn like this, so that it doesn't add friction to you learning to solve the Rubik's Cube. Having said that, I have put a link in the description. You can click on that and buy that in from Amazon. This cube cost me, I think, 250 rupees or 300 rupees. Yeah, if you want, you can buy that. There are some fundamentals of the cubes that I'm assuming you will already know, or rather just buy one, play around, you will quickly understand. Every cube here has a space, has a specific place in this bigger cube. For example, the center colors are, there are totally 6 colors, there are 6 faces of the cube, and these colors do not change. They'll always be exactly in the same place. Blue and green will always be opposite, white and yellow will be opposite, orange and red will be opposite. And also each cube has a specific place, right? So you have to solve it exactly the right way. That's what adds to the challenge of solving a Rubik's Cube. Now let's get started. So white and yellow are always opposite. You always start by making a white cross. So white cross means you need to just have a white cube in these 4 places, and the center obviously is already white. Now the difficulty is, or rather the challenge is that when you're making the white cross, it's not just putting the white squares here, but also when you add a white, this color should also align to the middle color. So for example, this is white, green. So here that should be green, right? So green. So this is easy, but now you need to just do the same thing for the rest of the place. So let's see, for example, here there'll be a white and orange. Now you just have to search where the white and orange is. Here there is white and orange. So now you bring it here. So now you got yourself white, orange, white, green. Now here that will be white and red. Sorry, white and blue. So look for white and blue. White and blue. So you got white and blue. Come here, turn it like this. Now you got white, blue. Now you look for white and red. That's the last. This is the white and red, right? So you move here to this, and bring it back. Now you got yourself a white cross. Ignore the colors on the other 4 squares. That's okay. You got white cross aligning with the red dot, green, orange, and blue. This is called the white cross. So once you've done the white cross, turn the cube so that yellow always points towards you or points up. Now, as you can see, white cross is done. There are 4 edges of this first layer that needs to be fixed. What you need to do is, there's one move that you have to sort of remember, and I call it upturn, downturn, because it's easier to remember that way. So right hand upturn, downturn is this. You take your right hand. No, this is the one that's facing up. Up, turn, down, turn. Right. So right face up. So when I'm doing the right-handed upturn, downturn. Right face up. Turn with the index finger. Right face down. Turn with the left index finger. Right. Up, turn, down, turn. So this is one move that you will have to remember. And similarly, if you were to do it with your left hand, it will be again up, turn, down, turn. Okay, up, turn, down, turn. So this is what you'll have to just sort of remember: right, up, turn, down, turn; left, up, turn, down, turn. So now let's get started. So we've done the white cross. Now we want to put the right cube here. So the right cube here would be white, green and orange. So a cube that has white, green and orange is the one that will come here. Now you have to look for it. So we got white, green and orange, right? Now when you find that edge, align that to where it is supposed to be. It doesn't matter what color is which side, white, orange and green, orange, green and white, right? So this is where it's supposed to come. So align it like this. After that, do the right-handed up turn, down turn. So up, turn, down, turn. Okay, this time we just had to do it once and already it's in the right place, right? Similarly, this one. Similarly, let's look at this one. Here, the right cube would be something that has the color white, green and red. Look for white here. We get white, green and red. Again, align it to the right place where it's supposed to go. Then you do up, turn, down, turn. Again, it's in the right place. Now again, turn it around. Here, the right color should be white, red and blue. Look for it. So now you got white, red and blue. Align it to the place where it's supposed to fall. Then do the right-handed up turn, down turn. Right? You did it once, it didn't fix. Do it again. Keep doing it till you get the right thing, right? So it's very simple. Like I said, you align it and then just do right-handed up turn, down turn. 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. So sometimes it'll fix right after the 1 time you do. Sometimes it'll take 3 times. Sometimes it'll take 5 times. Then now the last one here. Again, you need white, orange and blue. Look for white, orange and blue. Here it goes. Now again, align it to the right place where it's supposed to go. Then you do up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down, turn. Keep doing that and you got yourself this. So now you can see that the white is completed. The first layer is also completed, right? It's not just completed, but it aligns with the middle dot. Green is green, orange is orange, blue is blue and red is red. So this is what you've done. Like I said again, always point yellow up towards you or maybe up. And then now you've done the first layer. Now you need to do the second layer. Now for the second layer, what you need to do is the cube that will come here should have green and red, correct? Right? Here it should be green, here it should be red. So look for that. There you go. Here I found that piece. So just bring it here. Green, red. Now it's got red and green. This one's got red and green. Now the way this is placed is that red is in this. Red aligns to red. If I had to move it like that, it doesn't align with the green, right? So keep it like this. Now we need to change this square, this cube, right? So once you aligned it, move this piece away from where it's supposed to go. So move this piece, just the top layer towards the left, right? And then do a right-handed up turn, down turn, and then turn it around so that now you see the other color. Do a left-handed up turn, down turn. Once you do that, this is in the right place, right? Let me show that again. Red and blue. Now let's look for red and blue. Now red and blue seems to be here. Now here this technique will not work. So you need to push it out. So to push this out, you need to push something in, right? So one of the things is, again, you need to push this out, right? So now this piece is on the right side. So you right-handed up turn, down turn, down turn, right? Then you turn it around. This is the piece that you want to push out. Okay. So when you do that, you can see that everything else is intact. That piece has come out. Now we wanted blue and red. We got blue and red. Now blue aligns to blue, so align it to this. And this is the place where this is supposed to displace this one, right? So now move it away. Again, right-handed up turn, down turn, and left-handed up turn, down turn. You got it in the right place, right? Now again, blue and orange. Where is blue and orange? Blue and orange. Now this is not aligning, so you have to move the blue here so it aligns. Remember, this is this cube that you want to replace with this one. So move it away like this. Okay, this is the one. So now this is on the left hand. So left hand up turn, down turn. Turn it and again do a right hand up turn, down turn. Once you do that, again this is in the right place. Now the last one is orange and green. So where is orange and green? So this is orange and green, right? Align green to green. This is the one that it has to replace, which is the right of this, right? So now you move it away one step, turning left. This is the one that you want to do. So you do right-handed up turn, down turn. Then you do a left-handed up turn, down turn. There you go. So now you've got 2 layers of all the right colors done with the top white also done. Right. Now there are multiple cases. And first and foremost, to move on to the next step, you need this L shape. Now this L shape is already made here, like as you can see, so it's good. Now when you have the L shape, right, make sure that this L or the reverse L is on the top left, like this, right? Ignore anything else. This has to be top left, so this is on the top left now. Now you turn it clockwise, and then you do up, turn, down, turn on the right. Up, turn, down, turn, right? And then do it once more. Up, turn, down, turn. Then, because you rotated it clockwise, rotate it anti-clockwise. So now you got a yellow cross. This is another case where you've finished the 2 layers, and when you turn around and when you look at the yellow face of the cube, there's just one yellow. There's no L, right, that you need to proceed. So what you do then is face the yellow on top, turn any side clockwise once, and then do the up turn, down turn, right? And then you can turn it back. So when you do that, you will see that none of these things are affected, right? Now, but you got your L, the reverse L. And when you get a reverse L, you keep it on top left, and then you again do a clockwise, do up turn, down turn, right? And then again you can do anti-clockwise. Now you get a horizontal L, horizontal line. This horizontal line, so keep it in a way that the line is horizontal, not vertical to you. Once you get the horizontal line, again you turn it clockwise, do up turn, down turn, then again move it like this. Now you got your yellow cross. Now when you get the yellow cross, not all the times these things will be aligned. For example, now this orange is aligned, blue is aligned, but this red and green are not aligned, right? So 2 sides are not aligned. So what you do is when these 2 sides are aligned, you just keep it in a way so that the orange, I mean the one that is aligned, that is on your right and not towards the back. The front one is not aligned and the left one is not aligned, right? Keep it like this, and then you move, turn this up once, down, then again. Now turn it up once, twice, put it down again, right? Now what this does is it ensures that the 2 layers that you created already are fine, and also now your blue is aligned, orange is aligned, green is aligned, and red is aligned. So all of them are aligned. So there are 2 cases. One case is where you have the yellow cross, orange, green, red, and blue, all of them are aligned. That's perfect. Now you need to get these 4 edges right. So what you need to do is first look if these cubes are in the right place. Now they're definitely not in the right orientation, but are they in the right place? For example, this is not in the right place because there is a red here, but there is no red here. This one, green, orange, and yellow, this is in the right place, this cube, but not in the right orientation. This is not in the right place, and this is not in the right place. So when you find something like that, when you have one of them in the right place, then you keep that particular cube on the bottom right, and then you do this move, which is right up, left up, right down, left down. Okay, once you do it, now this wouldn't have changed at all. This will be in the right place. Check if others are correct now. Red, green, and yellow. Red, green, and yellow. This is right. Blue, red, yellow. Blue, red. Okay. So all 4 of them are in the right places. This is the right orientation. These 3 are not in the right orientation. Now what you need to do is turn it upside down so that the white is on top, the yellow is at the bottom. This is very important. This is the final step. These cubes are in the right places but not in the right orientation. So what you do now is you need to fix 1 cube at a time. So the bottom right cube, this is what you're going to fix. You're going to use the right-handed up turn, down turn till the yellow comes down. This is fixed. Now remember to turn only the bottom layer to the next cube that you want to fix, the orientation of the cube that you want to fix. Don't get scared, forget about these things. You just need to fix it. Turn the bottom layer so that this cube comes here. Now you're going to do the up turn down turn, then the yellow goes down. Okay, done. Now turn that bottom layer again. Now turn that bottom layer again. Yellow needs to go down, up turn, down turn. Yellow has gone down. And then you just twist it and the cube is solved. Right?